Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibes, and today we're fixing a PS5 controller not responding in PS5 games. First, place your PS5 controller on a flat surface and wake up the PS5 console. Try pressing the PS button on the PS5 controller to see if the PS5 responds at all. If the PS5 doesn't react, connect the PS5 controller using the original USB cable. Make sure the USB port on the PS5 is firmly holding the cable. Now gently press the PS button on the PS5 controller again. If the PS5 controller still doesn't respond, unplug and replug the cable from the PS5 console. Check that the cable is not loose at the PS5 controller side. Try holding the PS button on the PS5 controller for 5 seconds. Watch for the light bar to flash on the PS5 controller. If there's still no response, power off the PS5 console completely. Wait until the PS5 lights turn off fully. Disconnect the PS5 controller cable from the PS5 console. Inspect the USB ports on the PS5 for dust or debris. Use a soft brush to clean the PS5 USB ports carefully. Reconnect the cable to the PS5 and then to the PS5 controller. Turn the PS5 back on using the power button on the PS5 console. After the PS5 starts, press the PS button on the PS5 controller again. If it works now, the PS5 controller was just desynced. If not, flip the PS5 controller over to find the small reset button. Use a pin to hold the PS5 controller reset button for 5 seconds. Release the button and reconnect the PS5 controller to the PS5 using the cable. Press the PS button on the PS5 controller to resync it. If the PS5 controller responds, open a PS5 game to test the input. If inputs still fail inside PS5 games, return to the PS5 home screen. Open PS5 settings using the PS5 controller or a temporary spare controller. Go to Accessories in the PS5 settings menu. Select Controllers on the PS5 options list. Adjust the PS5 controller communication method to use USB cable. Connect the PS5 controller again directly to the PS5 front USB port. Launch a PS5 game again and test buttons and sticks. If the PS5 controller still freezes, exit back to the PS5 home menu. Go to System in the PS5 settings. Select System Software on the PS5 options. Choose System Software Update and check for PS5 updates. If an update appears, install it while keeping the PS5 controller wired. After the PS5 restarts, test the PS5 controller once more. If the issue continues, shut down the PS5 console again. Hold the PS5 power button for 7 seconds until the second beep. This starts safe mode on the PS5 console. Connect the PS5 controller with a cable to the PS5 USB port. Press the PS button on the PS5 controller to enter safe mode. Choose Clear Cache and Rebuild Database on the PS5 menu. Wait while the PS5 completes the rebuild. After the PS5 reboots, open a PS5 game again. Test the PS5 controller joystick, triggers, and buttons. If input is still missing, open PS5 settings again. Go to Accessories and open Controller Vibration and Haptics. Reduce vibration levels to see if the PS5 controller stabilizes. Return to PS5 gameplay to test once more. If your PS5 controller disconnects randomly, switch to another PS5 USB cable. Try plugging it into the rear USB port of the PS5 console. This sometimes gives a stronger connection on the PS5. Restart the PS5 and test again. If the PS5 controller only fails wirelessly, check Bluetooth settings on the PS5. Remove the PS5 controller from the Bluetooth device list and re-add it. Press and hold the Create and PS buttons on the PS5 controller to repair. Select the PS5 controller from the available devices on the PS5 screen. Once connected, launch a PS5 game and confirm everything works smoothly. And that's it. Your PS5 controller should now be responding properly. Thanks for watching TechVibes.